Hello again YouTube. Today's project is Smart Cart System. Now a Smart Cart System is basically a cart where you can find it. It's the same ones that you find in supermarkets like Carrefour, Giant, all these places, right? And the special thing about this particular cart is that it uses an RFID reader, an LCD with a PIC16F877A, and a few buttons here. You can use them to make your purchase easier. How it does, it's like we can assume that each item of those has a chip inside it. I actually built on a one chip inside each of those three items, and when you purchase them you could just scan them here and the PIC will display the price that you have to pay, as well as there's three buttons. They work this way. The first button here is called Start Shopping. Now when you take the card at the first time, you have to flip this switch to indicate that we need to, just to show the PIC that you want to start shopping right now. Now the other two buttons, we have a refund. The refund button is usually checked every time you scan any of those items when you need to buy. For example, if I pick one of those items, right, I need to buy it, you just have to drop it in, because the RFID reader will take it as default that any item scanned is taken as you want to buy it. So it will accumulate. So the price will accumulate every time you add any of those items you buy. Now, let's assume that you bought one of those items and you don't need it. Let's say this Maggie thing. I don't want to buy it anymore, but I did scan it. So what I have to do is just press the refund button, the other button here, and then scan it again. The PIC will know that this item needs to be refunded, so it will deduct its price from the main price that accumulates every time you scan one of those new items. Now when you finish shopping, you have to indicate that you finished shopping. I use another button switch here. This switch is pressed only once. It's called total. So when I press this switch, the PIC will know that okay, shopping is finished. Now it will show me how much I should pay. Okay, I'll demonstrate everything in a minute. Well, before I begin, I'd like to show you closer about this project, right? So here's the cart where I can put in here, and then I have the PIC16F with its kit, the LCD, and also the button stand where we have all these three buttons here. Okay, the fan is just for cooling. Okay, now I'll demonstrate it again. I'll scan the projects and on it again. Okay, I'll reset. Now it's waiting for the customer to flip the switch. So I flipped the switch I told you before. It's called Start Shopping. I flipped it. It says okay, shopping is in process. Okay, I start with scanning those objects. I start with the Maggie thing. This project, this item. I scan it. Okay, you can read the price is 5. I need to buy also this perfume. I scan again. Okay, now it's 10. See, it accumulates. It was 5 and now it's 10. I scan this Nivea thing. Alright, the Nivea is purchased. Okay, now it's 15 ringgit. Okay, now let's say how to demonstrate the refund button. I'll press and hold the refund button and then scan the same item I bought before. It says items deducted. Since the item's price is deducted, so the total price will be less than that. So that's how it's working. When I finish shopping, I'll just press the button which is named as total. It says okay, this is the last price. Now it comes back to the beginning. Yeah, that's all. Thank you for watching it. Bye bye.